Did you know that you can detox your body through your feet? The Chinese reflexology system says that our feet have natural energy zones which are linked directly to important systems and organs in the body. This means that the body can be detoxified and cleaned of toxins through the feet and similar zones. Here are several ways in which you can detox your body through the feet. Ionic foot bath. This method is similar to electrolysis, which uses electrical current to create a powerful chemical reaction. The warm water can open up your pores while the salt works like an anti-inflammatory agent. The ions from the bath are absorbed in the feet, which detoxifies the whole body. If the salt gets dark, it means that the method is working. Here are several great salt detox recipes. Salt detox recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup sea salt, 1 cup Epsom salts, 2 cups baking soda. Preparation: boil some water in a pot, then add all the ingredients in and leave them to boil for a bit. Now, fill your tub with warm water and add some ACV, then pour the previously boiled mixture, add some more sea salt and essential oils as well. Soak in the tub for 30 minutes for best results. This bath will increase your magnesium levels, relieve irritation on the skin and detoxify your body. If you're tired after it, it's a sign that it's working well. Clay detox recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 a cup of Epsom salts, 1/2 a cup of bentonite clay. Preparation: fill a tub with hot water and add the Epsom salts, then add some of your favorite essential oils. Next, mix the bentonite clay with some water with a wooden spoon, then add it to the bath. Soak in it for 20-30 minutes to detoxify your body. Oxygen detox recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dry ginger powder, 2 cups hydrogen peroxide. Preparation: fill a tub with warm water and add the ginger and hydrogen peroxide, then soak in it for 30 minutes to extract toxins from your body. Foot detox pads. These pads are another great detox method. They can be found in any health store for cheap, and should be applied on your soles before going to bed. Remove them in the morning and observe. If they're dark, your body has been cleaned of toxins.